Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter. In this video, I'm gonna show you an amazing trick of Android. How to use Android apps games in PC. If your computer has a good configuration, then you can use it fairly well. Further, you can use, but it will work slowly in your PC. So let's get started how to install Android apps on PC. First, you have to install an Android launcher in your computer. Here are a lot of launchers for computer, but I will suggest you which is the best launcher. Now BlueStacks is the best Android launcher for PC, and BlueStacks 3 launched with some amazing features. Install it in your PC. You will get its download link in my video description box. After complete installation, make sure that your computer connected with internet or Wi-Fi. Only first time need internet connection for complete installation properly. Then you can use it without internet. Here you have to log in with a Gmail account for open Play Store. This process only for first time, so type here Gmail account. Then click on next. Then type here password, then again next. Then you have to agree with their all conditions. So click on agree. Our installation is completed properly. Now here you can install any kind of Android apps from Play Store. Suppose I want to install WhatsApp. So here I will search for it. Here from you can install it, and you can install any kind of Android apps on your PC. I hope this video will helpful for you. To get more tutorial videos, subscribe, like, comment, share our video. Stay with us. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.